Hi viewers, welcome to one of my videos. I went away on one of our adventures in the motorhome and took the ATS100 radio with us. But I hit a problem. And it's a common problem with these, but it's an easy one to resolve. And very simply, I come to, let me switch it off because of the noise. There we go. When I come to pull the aerial out, it come out completely like that, and I notice on the bottom there's a thread, so I thought, oh, it's just come undone the screw. So I turned it over, and the best thing is to open it from the back, took the 4 little screws out, lift the case off if I can. Try and do it single-handed like that. And in here was the screw. The screw is actually soldered. I don't know whether you can see that. I'll do some still photos. The screw there that goes inside the telescopic aerial is soldered to this printed circuit board, and it come unsoldered, so the whole aerial pulled out completely. So it's just a simple matter of heating the screw up with a little bit of flux and some fresh solder and soldering the screw back on the circuit board. And then it's just possible then to get the aerial and thread it back in and then put it back onto the screw. So if you've got one of these and the aerial comes out, it's an easy fix if you can solder. If you can't, what you could do is you could drill a hole through the bottom of the case and put a longer screw in. But remember, you have to insulate the screw, otherwise this piece of plastic is a printed circuit board and it's earthed. It could short the screw out, so the aerial wouldn't work. So that's it for this video. Just a quick one on the ATS100. Lovely receiver, I love it, but that simple problem was annoying because I didn't have the soldering on with me when I was away. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.